Good morning. It is 7:40 a.m. on a Sunday. I'm going right to the gym. I want to get it out of the way today because I didn't go yesterday. And I'll be watching a church service later. Mike's going to an Orthodox church in Hamilton. So I'm gonna stay home and watch a Catholic service. I'm just gonna go to the gym and do a run, get my morning started off right. I was like tossing and turning and having wild dreams last night, so yeah. This is my happy place. Peanut butter jam toast, coffee, my husband. All the things. This dog's always just looking through the window. Would you like to come inside for something? Let's see. Come on in if you'd like. Thank you. Walkies? Do you want to go? Can you say, go tell us.
Speak.
Speak. Tell us. Speak. Come here. Quick. Over here. Quick. Come. Why's her stance like that? Come here. Here. What are you doing? Do you love your mom? I think you do because your tail says that you do. Up. Good squish. It is shower time. I'm going to wash my hair. It's gonna be nice and curly, and then I'm gonna edit videos and watch church online. So right now, this is what I'm doing. So I'm gonna have lunch. I'm just whipping up a quick pasta, just a veggie pasta. I was kind of craving meat, but I don't have anything made right now. So I'm just doing some mushrooms, basil, tomato sauce, onions, and it's gonna be very tasty. I did this, eating my pasta. Like, I bit such a huge chunk. Look at that. It hurts. I was eating too fast. So I just did something very interesting. I deleted my Instagram and my TikTok app on my phone. So I want to be very intentional with my time in the next 30 days. I do have some plans, so I really just want to be focused, and I find myself getting a little bit distracted when I'm on Instagram, as everyone does, and when I'm on TikTok. Now, I try to tell myself that I'm doing research because I do gather a lot of information on those platforms. However, after information is gathered, I find myself scrolling, and I don't want to get caught in that anymore. So I've decided that the only time I'm going to use the app is when it's on my web browser and I actually have to use it for something specific. So very intentional. Now, it's going to be interesting to see, because this is kind of like a dopamine detox, I guess. what I'm gonna fill that extra time with. There are moments where, you know, me and Mike are like hanging out, having coffee, and we're both like scrolling on our phones and like telling each other, showing each other things that we saw. Maybe I'm just gonna have to have a book with me all the time, which is fine because I love reading. Yeah, I am curious to see, because I know like as we are out and doing different things, like I might want to pull up a video or whatever, and I'm not going to be able to, and that's just going to be a discipline for me and a lesson for me. So I'm very excited to go on this no social media thing for 30 days. I kind of just decided, you know what, I'm just going to do this. I didn't plan it, I didn't anything, I just said that's it. And I think sometimes that's the best way, because I think when you plan to do something, the anticipation of it, you know, you'll kind of waver back and forth, but it's like just cut that cold turkey. So we'll see.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hi, followers.
Stop. Okay, take your first bite. Let's see. Take your first bite. Everybody wants to know how it tastes.
Super fast schedule where every hour is accounted for months into the future.
That's good.
Good.
Before his hot time by Justin Holland.
Nothing left.
3rd and 1.